Welcome back, viewers and subscribers, to Red Button Journal. Today, we have a very special surprise for you. We're going to take a drive down a road called Hampton Court Road. And we don't even know if the road is open. Could be completely washed out. But we know if it's open, there's really going to be some pretty scenery. Won't be many houses at all. This isn't a house drive. This is a scenery drive. So prepare yourself and away we go. All right, people. As you can clearly see, this is the forest. Isn't that right, Madge?
Yeah.
Woo! Look at the scenery, though. Look at the scenery. There's a little house there, but I'm not even going to show the house. I'm going to look at the scenery. And we're going to see.
There's more houses.
Oh, there's all kinds of houses over here now. We're going to see what we can see. I'm going to come in now. Well, actually, so far the road's in pretty good shape.
Yeah, but the part that was normally bad is down more.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. We haven't been on this road for a long time. I may have to pull my camera in for the branches from time to time. Look at this.
Hibiscus.
Oh, hibiscus right here. Look at that. Oh, yes. See?
I know I hear my father call this lagwood, American lagwood, something like that. Yeah.
The which one?
This fine leaf one, it has prickle on it.
Oh, yeah.
Lagwood, yeah.
Okay. And that's a Ponciana tree trying to get started, right?
It looks so.
It looks so.
But it's tiny. So I didn't know they started flowering at that tiny. You know, it's a young one.
Okay, people. This is rural Jamaica. You understand? Rural Jamaica. And this is where, when it rains, the water comes straight across. We got a motorcycle man going to pass us here. We'll let him by. Okay. Woo! Isn't this something? I don't know if they can see anything, but just a little path down the road, Oh, gotta watch here. I don't want to catch the side wall and get a puncture here. Oh, look at that valley. Now that looks like somebody's maybe had some grazing done there. The way some of the cane grass is kind of bunched up, you know? That's kind of the way it looks when people do grazing. Yeah. If I see something that we want to see from afar, people, what I'll do is I'll change the zoom on this, but for right now, this is my...
This road
This takes you around to the housing scheme. But last I knew, the road that goes across the culvert was washed out. So you couldn't go there. So, and I doubt they fixed it because they don't really, fix stuff in this area that much.
Because...
Ooh, isn't this cool?
It's not that populated.
No, there's not that populated, so... And now that the sugar estate's closed down, they're not here to do their thing.
Because it's their land.
Let's see what this sign says.
Sugar Area Development Program, Cane Roads Rehabilitation Project, Phase 3. I don't know what...
So are they going to rehabilitate this road?
I didn't read everything, and something about engineering and
It's a new sign?
Yeah.
Well, wouldn't that be something?
So...
Because this saves us a lot of time when we go to town, when we go to Morant Bay. But we can't. We haven't been able to take this road. But
it's not the Jamaica government who really do this road,
No, it's the sugar company.
No, I think it was European who fixed
the
this road.
Europeans.
Some
European deal.
Yeah. Who fixed this road? Who asphalted it? It was yeah.
Wow. Well, we haven't really seen any bad stuff yet.
Too far, it's not.
No, it's not. We used to come along here and think there'd be no way we could do it because it's pure washed out, I used to ride my motorcycle on this road when I had one.
But sometime when we are on the main road, we see
We see stuff like this.
Vehicle, we see vehicle driving inside here.
That's true. So
Yeah.
maybe they've. Let me get over to the left here so I don't split a sidewall. And this is always bad right here, people.
Yeah, right.
I'm going to just kind of show you the road here.
Because of water course.
Yeah.
You're right.
Yeah. There's a cycle man. Yes, sir. Okay, so I'm going to come over to this side where it's a little bit smoother to come up it. Well, we made it so far, people.
It's not
Wow.
really that bad.
It's not that bad.
It's even better than some of the
It's better than I
roads
remembered.
and some of the main roads.
Yes, yeah. Well, until they just did some asphalt work on the main road. This is just every bit as good as the main road. You just have to take your time, people. You know, driving in Jamaica is not a big deal. But, oh, that reminds me, I probably didn't make sure I have a clean screen. That's always important to do. Very important stuff to do, people. Okay. What a view. What a view. Rural Jamaica countryside, people.
And I see a vehicle up
There's
there.
see, I thought they were. Remember I said from the looks of the cane grass, it looks like they're grazing. See, there's several cattle over there. See them?
Yeah, there's a vehicle up there.
Uh-huh, there's several cattle over there. And somebody's doing some
farming.
tilling work here. Well, you know, Jamaica's really starting to come around, you know. Look at look at the western egret sitting on top of the.
Yeah, getting some tick.
He's eating off the back of that cow.
And the cow is enjoying it. Oh, the cow said, oh, they beg me so much.
You keep your window closed because otherwise you'll get slapped by one of these branches. You will definitely get slapped. Let me come over here.
There was a vehicle up there, but I don't see it anymore.
Okay,
I
it's
think
wet there. I gotta get over here. Let's see.
I think the road to go Springfield is right half up there.
Oh, it looks like most people are taking the
Springfield?
left side over here, the left side of the road.
Yeah, because there was a car.
And then I'll cut back quick so I don't get a puncture, get a sidewall sliced. Well, I hope y'all enjoying this. Look at the scenery. Look at the scenery, people. Don't worry about me talking about the road. I don't know why I'm talking about the road, so.
It would be so nice if they
if they'd fix this.
come up with a housing scheme or
something out here.
Build it up, build up here.
Yeah. All this. Oh, look at the mountains. Look at the mountains, people. Look at the mountains. Ooh, what a view! Imagine having a house on top of that hill. Wouldn't that be something? Wouldn't that be amazing? Just you'd be able to see if you're on that hill. I think you could probably see the Holland Bay, the ocean in the Holland Bay area. I don't know that you could see it in the Rocky Point area.
The car went that way.
Yeah. So if we went down that road to the right, we'd go to Stokes Hall.
And this to the left.
And to the left is
Barking Lodge.
But what's the first town?
Springfield.
Springfield?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And if we go straight, we go to the highway. So hopefully we can manage this road. Well, seems like we'd be able to manage it. If I get a puncture, people, I'm not going to be happy with myself. Or a split out sidewall.
Driving here, it's not busy, so
no, it's not busy.
more relaxed.
Yeah. I haven't had to worry about anybody behind me. I had one bikeman. Just look in here, people. Just look. Just look. It's like going through a tunnel. This reminds me of that Stony Hill Drive. A little bit where you kind of go through a tunnel.
That's so. Yeah.
Yeah.
And Holland Bamboo.
Or Holland Bamboo. Yeah, we couldn't think of that name, people. So if you didn't read the comments and see a couple people.
There's so much empty land,
Well, it looks like it had been burned over here at one time.
Yeah.
Somebody,
Yeah.
you know, when we had those people burning land here a couple of years ago, just burning up stuff. I don't know what they were doing it for, but somebody just for spite was burning off some of this land. It seems like just for spite. I don't know what it was for.
Just
I don't know which way to...
Sometimes it's just idleness, you know.
Idleness. I don't know which way to point the camera, people, to make this the most interesting for you. I guess just imagine you're taking a ride in the country. Let's just go slower. I don't know why I feel like I need to get through here as fast as I can.
But all this rain that fall, it doesn't really affect here. You know, like the water course, it digs it out. But like,
right in here it doesn't.
Otherwise it's okay.
Yeah, right in here it doesn't.
Yeah. No, but there's no water course here. But like where that water coming, yeah.
Mm-hmm. Wow.
Oh, this is pretty good.
This is nice. This is just real nice and relaxing ride here. Oh, I don't know why I didn't see that hole in the road. It was disguised. It was a disguised hole in the road.
This mango tree has a lot of parasite on it.
When I was trying to ride my motorcycle here, I really liked this road because it was nice and straight. Because I didn't have to negotiate any turns or anything. And if somebody was coming, I had plenty of time to get out of the road. Oh boy, I don't know why I ever thought at my age I could learn all over again to ride a motorcycle like I did when I was a teenager. But that's what I thought.
It's somebody's coal.
Oh, coal? Yeah. Oh, it's coal skill. Or not skill, kiln.
Kiln. Oh,
a lot of people call it coal skill, but it's actually a coal kiln. So.
K-I-L-M? Kiln?
Yeah, like a kiln. K-I-L-N. Yes.
M-R-N. K-I-L-M-R.
N, I thought.
N. School.
Maybe. I don't know.
I don't know. I don't know.
We're going to have to grab a phone and do a Google, but I bet we don't even have reception up in here, people.
Yeah.
I bet we don't even have reception up in here.
I don't know anything about burning coal.
Look at this,
You know,
people.
I think this thing, somebody was showing it. That it could, no, it has a white around it. It goes like this, but it has a border, white around it, and it's like...
Oh, here comes the taxi man. Or, here, let me pull off to the side, let him pass. Oh, he's gonna, I'm going very slow, so he's not gonna necessarily want to wait on me. I don't want to have to speed up, you know. Yes, sir. I didn't want to speed up any more than I had to.
Remember those two bikes that crashes around here?
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, I remember. One boy died and the other one lost an eye or broke out his eye socket. And he's lucky he lived, didn't he? His leg was broke up so bad.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, and when Papel was hurt, he was my bike man. The one man that was in the accident. But it just made Madge doubly happy that I got rid of my bike. Doubly happy. But I hadn't got rid of my bike yet when that happened, had I? I don't think I had.
It was black on the sun.
I know. I don't think Papel was recovered yet enough to get my bike.
I think you didn't have the bike.
Well, maybe not. I don't know. I wasn't riding it anyway.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah.
I can't remember exactly how it went, you know. Oh, I'm getting a little bit of lens flare. I got to be careful here. Because I'm facing the sun? I need to clean off my lens rags because they're all greased up from using them, and I need to I've got a bag with some fresh ones. I need to get one out because I'm not getting all the oil off my lens, and then it gets a little bit foggy when the sun hits it just so. But not bad. Not as bad as I've seen some people's. Some people you'd think they'd never cleaned their lens off. So. Wow. Is this cool or what, people? Oh, wow. Hampton Court Road, everybody. We got a hill to our left and a valley to our right, and then it goes back up again. Just empty lands. Just empty lands, people. Oh, look at that.
Mm-hmm.
I don't remember seeing a big vacant spot like that. But
That's true. But
a lot of times
I
when we
think
come,
here is for somebody, you know. I think this piece of land here is
somebody may be
somebody
grazing
was
or something.
telling me something about this.
Oh yeah.
land.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, this road is just built on the side of a hill.
Yeah.
And you know, it because it's not a tall hill, it's not turned into a river
Yeah.
like a lot of roads. So that's why you don't see it washed out so bad in so many holes. Really, this part, there's a few of those places that are kind of scary that you could get a puncture. And so you'd rather just take another road, you know, but it's not that bad. Huh. What kind of plant is that? That's some sort of a, you know, it grows onto the other tree.
Yeah, like it's a parasite.
A parasite, that's the word
yeah.
I'm looking for.
Yeah.
And then what are these things that look like Tarzan ropes?
Wisp. We call them wisp, but I don't know
Wisp?
what. Yeah, but yeah.
Okay.
But there are different type of wisp. Different type. I do.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
I usually call one pudding wisp.
look how big that one is.
Yeah.
That'd carry a
Yeah,
fat.
they can go big that we
Look
you
at
can
that.
swing on them, hold on and swing
Yeah,
on.
that one, you could be fat and be Tarzan and still swing through the jungle. Look at that thing. That's huge. Look how big around it is. It's like a tree. It's so thick.
Yeah. Well,
Yeah.
you have some. You
could
have
be-
some trees that.
I can't imagine Tarzan being fat.
When we went over the botanical garden, there was some tree that grew wisp like that, and it would becomes like a
Now,
go to the ground.
what are those?
This
Great big leaves.
They call them Scotch cocoa. I don't know what.
Scotch cocoa.
Yeah, if you ever like rub the leaf and like wet,
Uh-huh.
and it would itch you so bad.
Oh, like
Like-
it's a poison ivy kind of a thing or
Yeah,
something?
it will itch you so bad. Yeah.
Okay, well, I'm not going to do that then now. I'm glad you warned
Like
me.
in rain, and the leaf should tear and this. the sap.
So it
you know,
doesn't
it's
have
so
a doesn't have a
scratch.
root to eat, and not
No,
a root
no,
vegetable.
no, they don't
Oh, it's
eat-
not.
no.
Okay. So it's different than some of the plants that kind of look that way.
Like the malanga or the
Yeah.
yeah.
Well, there's a lot of them right in
Tara.
here. There's a lot of them right in
Yeah,
here.
yes,
Why I noticed that.
yes.
See, there's quite a number of them.
Its leaf is more shiny compared to
Uh-huh. Here's some more of these Tarzan ropes, people, and there's some good sized ones.
you see how they take a set on the trees, wrap up on the tree.
Should I run over and grab one so people can see how big they are in my
I don't
hand?
know if you want to do that.
Huh?
Because some of them can itch you too. So,
Can what?
Itch you. Like
Oh,
when
okay.
if you
All right. Well, you do the talking and narrate. If I fall down the cliff, you tell people I'm rolling down the hill. Okay. And so I'm leaving the microphone in there, sweetie.
all right, you be careful.
Yeah. I hope this stuff on the ground is not gonna make me itch. See that? That's George in the jungle. Tarzan. So, look at that. Wow. And those aren't the biggest ones I saw. Bigger ones a little bit farther in, people. So. Oh, I'm talking to the camera like it could hear me. I guess I could have unplugged it and it would have heard me.
I think most of them they are flexible, like you could use it to wrap things
Mhm.
and tie and
I could have
And it does
I
break.
could have unplugged my wireless and then the camera would have heard me. Oh well. I don't want to risk having it not come back on right. Okay, well, Tom has always dreamed about being Tarzan when I was a little kid. You know? Yeah, of course. What kid doesn't dream at some point in their life about being Tarzan? I mean, probably girls don't, but boys, sure. And that's the first Tarzan rope I've ever actually grabbed a hold of.
I see something.
And I got to be honest with you, it's very cool. That's a big one there.
I see something cover up before us.
Mm-hmm. I do too. What do you suppose it is?
Oh, it look like somebody burns coal.
Oh, that's coal.
And they cover them up.
Yeah, that's coal.
Because
yeah,
maybe they carry away some. And
that's coal. Yeah. Well,
over this side.
Oh, there's a big path going up there. I bet they burn coal up in there.
So there's
plenty of hardwood.
Yeah.
To burn coal, I'm sure, up in here.
Yeah.
Well, you don't have to carry it so far.
There are all kind of big trees. Oh, look at that tree. Oh, the root of it is so big. That one right there. Look on the ground.
Let me back up. There's not a bus behind me, is there? Okay.
Look at that root. The
Here,
roots of it.
let's roll down your window. We're gonna bring this in, and so I can make sure I'm looking right at it.
Look at the roots. Look
at the roots.
Look at those
Look
roots.
at how that root over there is.
And I don't know what kind of tree is it.
Huh.
Roots.
I hope they can see that root there, because that is really.
See roots over there.
They have to be able to see it. I'll zoom it in when I do the editing if I have to. I'm going to close this back so you don't put your hand in there.
It's a big tree.
Oops, I still have it in reverse. Huh.
Yeah, that's a big tree.
Oh, and there's some there too.
Yeah, and look at those big trees too.
Oh yeah. I don't know what kind they are.
No, I don't know.
But that's that kind you were telling me that one day, because it's got the white bark and the big leaves with the big sinuses.
Oh, that's trumpet.
That's a trumpet. Okay. Yeah. They're a fast-growing tree. They're no good for.
Yeah, they are fast-growing.
You can't use those for making coal.
No, they are not strong.
They're gonna be just.
They're very weak.
They'll burn up your rest of your coal if you try to put some in with it. I'll bet you.
They are so weak.
Oh, see, somebody's burned coal right down there. See, you can see that.
Yes, I see. Yeah.
See that, people? Let me get my angle right here. There's some Tarzan ropes going down in there, but see, somebody's burned coal right there. Yep. That leaves the ground like that where they've.
Look at this tree, how big it is. That one that we look at it and
right there.
No, this one, that one. Yes.
The one right there?
No.
The one behind
us.
Oh, okay. Let me turn it back. You want me to back up?
Reverse and.
Yeah. Make sure there's no buses behind me. People, if you're wondering why I keep bringing up the bus, should I tell them why I keep bringing that up?
Just
leave it.
This one.
Yeah. That's big. It's like it's several trees growing together too. See how it twists together?
Yeah.
Up there.
And then those parasites with and it.
And what are these purple things down here? They come from some sort of tree up there. Oh yeah, you can look at the parasites growing in there. Oh, that's what not purple, orange. Those orange blossoms must grow in that parasite. Or in the vines or something. I don't know. I'm just making stuff up, people. There's a fine line between giving a guided tour with knowledge and a fine line between giving a guided tour with making stuff up.
There are some bananas over here.
Okay. Oh, yeah. Okay.
This is a hockey tree.
Wow. What is something?
I see some, I think they call them pepper elder that they use as seasoning.
Oh, look at the road in front of us. We're about to the end of it, but see how the vines grow down over the top of the road? See, right in front of us. See how they grow down over the top of the road, and then when the vans and stuff come down here, they lick them off, so they don't ever grow any farther.
That's why they can't get to reach the ground.
They can't reach all the way. Oh, look at the one up here up to the side. Look at that. Look at the one. Look at the one.
This one.
Here. You want to see what it's like? Roll your window down. There. That one's not a big one. Pull on it though. See how it feels? Don't pull it down.
There are some fine ones, but the big one is at the top.
The big ones are at the top.
These are just little baby ones.
Let me kind of see it there. I don't know. I'm so fascinated with those. They're just so cool.
This one coming too.
Yeah, this is the end here.
So a lot of vehicles coming.
Hello.
Oh,
that's the Eggman.
Ah. Okay.
Yeah, that was the Eggman.
Yeah.
See, you got farm on there. Should we go that back on the same road, or let's go the town way?
What do you want to do?
Let me see what time it is.
Don't play in the road anyhow.
Yeah. We could probably call it good. Let's do a wrap up here. Let me pull up here a little bit. Okay, viewers and subscribers, that's it for our exciting. Whoops! Ooh, about drove off the road. Can you hold it, sweetie? Do I need to hold it? Let me hold it. I got it. Okay, viewers and subscribers, we had a great time. We had a great trip, and we're glad you all joined us. And that's called Hampton Court Road. And tell us what your favorite part of the country road was. And be sure and like, share, comment, and subscribe for the latest from Red Button Journal. Big up yourself. Bless up yourself. Blessings and respect.
Love you, everyone. Thank you for tuning in. And amen.
Oh, there you go. Okay, we're done. Bye-bye, people.